how are you all? Today I am very much happy to look at you all through this video. And in last session we have learned about the story, The Rainbow Butterfly. Today we are gonna look at the exercises of the Rainbow Butterfly. Before going into the exercises, we'll look at the story or the short gist, or let's recap the Rainbow Butterfly. In this story we can see that there were three caterpillars. The main characters are the caterpillars, and there are three caterpillars, namely Tilly, Philly and Millie. All these three caterpillars lived in the land named Fairyland, and they all loved to eat leaves. One day what had happened is that Tilly, Philly and Millie, everybody climbed on various trees. Tilly climbed on lemon tree, whereas Philly climbed on apple tree and Millie climbed on coconut trees, and they lived there. They ate the leaves of those trees, and after few days they slept there for a long duration. After that they got converted into pupa, and one day when they came out of pupa, they came as a butterflies with various colors wings. And Tilly came out with a yellow color wing, and it was known as the yellow butterfly. Philly came out with the red color wing, and it was named as red butterfly, whereas Millie, who ate the coconut leaves and coconut, and it came as the butterfly with white wings. At that time Millie was very sad seeing its friends having various colors wings, and so it was crying. It was also in need of the colored wings. So what it did was, it saw a beautiful rainbow, and as the rainbow has 7 colors, what are the colors in the rainbow is nothing but violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. It went to the rainbow. Millie went to the rainbow and asked for the colors in the rainbow. At last, even the rainbow painted the Millie with those 7 colors. This is the short story of the Rainbow Butterfly. Now, shall we look at the exercises and the questions in it? Okay, come, let's go to the first exercise that we are gonna look is write one-word answers for these questions. What are the question is that? First question is, who were Philly, Tilly and Millie? Philly, Tilly and Millie are the caterpillars. And second question, where did they live? Where did they live? They lived in the fairy land. What did they like to eat? What the caterpillars like to eat? The caterpillars like leaves to eat. And fourth question, which tree did Philly see? What tree did the Philly see? Philly liked the lemon trees. Which tree did Tilly sleep on? Tilly slept on the apple trees. And which tree did Millie climb? Millie actually climbed on the coconut trees. So shall we look at the answers once again? Now what we are going to look at is, once again we'll recap the answers. First question was, who were Philly, Tilly and Millie? We know that Philly, Tilly and Millie are caterpillars. And the second question is, where did they live? They lived in the fairyland. F-A-I-R-Y, fairy, L-A-N-D, fairyland. And the third question, what did they like to eat? Caterpillars like to eat the leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. And fourth question, which tree did Philly see? Which tree did the Philly see? Philly saw the lemon tree. L-E-M-O-N, lemon, T-R-E-E, lemon tree. And fifth question, which tree did Tilly sleep on? Tilly slept on the apple tree. Okay, and the last question, which tree did Millie climb? Millie climbed on the coconut tree. These are the answers for the first exercise. Now we'll move on to the second exercise. The second exercise is that, who said these words? Match the words with the pictures. Now what we are going to do is, there are 3 sentences or phrases which is given to us. First one is such pretty yellow lemons. Second one is I am a red butterfly. And the third sentence is I will get some color for my wings. Now, the first thing, such pretty yellow lemons. It was said by Philly. So where is Philly, which has the yellow wings? Now we are gonna match it to the second butterfly. I am a red butterfly. Where is the red butterfly? And now we are gonna match it to the red butterfly. I will get some color for my wings. Who said I will get some color for my wings? It was Millie. Millie said I will get some color for my wings. Now, did you match the correct answer? First one is such pretty yellow lemons was said by Philly. Philly, where is Philly? Philly is, yes, the second butterfly. I am a red butterfly. Where is the red butterfly? Tilly. Tilly is there to the third butterfly. I'll get some color for my wings. It was said by Millie, and Millie is the first butterfly. Okay. Now shall we go to the third exercise? Okay. The third exercise is, that now we are gonna complete the words which is written in the story. First thing is, caterpillars love to eat. What does they love to eat? Caterpillars actually love to eat the leaves. So now what we are gonna do is write that L-E-A-V-E-S. Okay, it's leaves. A sour fruit is lemon. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. A red juicy fruit. What is a red juicy fruit? In the story, it is apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. A hard fruit with water inside. What is a hard fruit with water inside? It is coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. A colorful insect. The colorful insect in this story is butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. The opposite of sad is happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Shall we write the answers? Okay. The first question was caterpillars love to eat leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. Second question is a sour fruit. A sour fruit is lemon. L-E-M-O-N. And third thing, a red juicy fruit is apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. And the fourth question, a hard fruit with water inside is coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. Fifth thing, a colorful insect is butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. And the opposite of sad is happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Okay friends, now these are the answers for the third exercise. Now shall we move to the fourth exercise? The next exercise is match the following, and what they have given is Philly, Tilly, Millie lived in fairyland, as it was said before. Match these animals with their homes. Now we are gonna match the animals with their homes. Let's see what are the animals are. First thing is cow. Second one is lion. Third one is bee. Fourth one is duck. Fifth one is horse. And sixth one is dog. When we look at their homes of the animals, what is given are kennel, B is hide, C is table, D is den, E is shed, and F is pond. Now shall we match the animals with the homes? Okay, come, let's match. Now we are matching the animals with their homes. Okay. The first animal is cow. Where does the cow lives? Cow lives in the shed. Where is shed? Here it is shed. Now we are going to match cow with the shed. And the second animal is lion. Where does the lion lives? Lion lives in the den. So lion to den. Third one is bee. Where does the bee lives? Bee lives in the hive. So bee to hive. Fourth one is, where does the duck lives? Duck live in the ponds. So duck to pond. Fifth one, where does the horse live? Horse live stable. Where does the dog live? Dog lives in the kennel. These are the answers. First thing is the cow lives in the shed. Lion lives in the den. Bee lives in hives. Duck lives in pond and horse lives in stable and dog lives in the kennel. Okay, these are the answers for the third exercise. Now we are going to move to the fourth exercise. The next exercise is spell it right. What they have given is circle the correct words to name the pictures. They have given us here 3 pictures. First one is, what is this? The picture is like a grass, and what is the option they have given is grass or gram. What do you think? What is this? It is grass. Yes, it is grass. Now, we'll move to the second picture. What is the second picture given here? It is green or green. What is the second picture? Is it green or green? It is, yes, it is green. Correct. And now we'll move to the third picture. Third picture, what is the picture? It is grapes or grow. What is this grapes or grow? It is, yes, it is grapes. Yeah. Now shall we read these words? First word is grass. And second thing is green. And third word is grapes. Grass, green, grain and grapes. Read all the words. Grass. Second word is gram. And third word is green. Fourth word is grain. Fifth one is grapes and grow. Read all these words once again. Grass, gram, green, grain, grapes and grow. The first picture is grass. The second picture is grain and the third picture is grapes. Now we are going to the next exercise. The next exercise that we are looking is rearrange the group of words to make sentences. So what is the first sentence? Caterpillar the rested for some days. It's wrong sentence. So now when we are going to rearrange it, the word that we have got is the caterpillar rested for some days. Okay. The first one has been done for us. Now we are going to do the second question. Rabbit, a pet I have. Oh no, it's wrong completely. So shall we rearrange it? I have a pet rabbit is the correct answer. Third question. Deer has spots. What is this? Deer has spots. No, it's wrong. The correct answer is a deer has spots. Fourth question. Is a rainbow in the sky the... What is this? It's completely wrong. Now when we rearrange it, there is a rainbow in the sky. And the fifth one is apples on the tree there are... What is this? There are apples on the tree. Yeah, this is the correct answer. Come, shall we write it? The first question which was given is caterpillar the rested for some days. And they have itself corrected the answer. The answer is the caterpillar rested for some days. And the second question which we are going to write is rabbit, a pet I have is the question what they have given. Now when we rearrange it, we have to write it as I have a pet rabbit. Okay, I have a pet rabbit. And the third question is deer has spot. Now when we rearrange it, the answer is a deer has spots. A deer has spots. Fourth question is a rainbow in the sky the is the question what they have given. Now when we rearrange it, it is there is a rainbow in the sky. The answer is there is a rainbow in the sky. And the final question is using it. Okay. Tomorrow we are gonna